Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see completed tasks in Asana if you've been marking tasks as done and want to review what your team has accomplished or track project progress. This simple filter will make everything visible in seconds. First, head over to the Asana website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace dashboard with all your projects and tasks laid out. This is where you'll start navigating to find those completed items that might have disappeared from your main view. Next, click on Projects in the left sidebar if you want to check completed tasks within a specific project, or click My Tasks if you're looking for your own completed work. This step determines the scope of what you're about to filter, so choose based on whether you need a project-wide view or just your personal task history. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Filter sitting there, and this is your key to unlocking those completed tasks. Asana hides completed items by default to keep your workspace clean, but the filter function brings them right back into view whenever you need them. Go ahead and click the Filter button. A menu will pop up showing you various filtering options you can apply to customize what appears in your task list. These filters are powerful tools for sorting through different task statuses, dates, and assignees. From the options that appear, select Completed Tasks. This tells Asana to display all the tasks that have been marked as done. Once you apply this filter, you'll immediately see your view update to show those finished items alongside or instead of your incomplete tasks, depending on how you've configured the filter. Take a moment to review the list. You'll notice that completed tasks usually appear faded or grayed out compared to active tasks. This visual distinction makes it easy to differentiate between what's done and what's still in progress, even when both are displayed together. If you need more details about any specific completed task, simply click on it. This will open up the full task view where you can see all the details, including any subtasks that were part of it, comments from team members, and attachments or notes that were added along the way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.